Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Breville Smart Oven Pro. The Breville Smart Oven Pro with Element IQ system is a high-performance countertop oven. Reduce your cooking time by up to 30% using the convection setting and choose from 10 cooking functions as an interior oven light guides you to perfection. Element IQ system using 5 independent quartz elements. Smart algorithms steer power to where and when it's needed to create the ideal cooking environment for perfect results every time. Fast 1800 watt preheat gets your meals on the table more quickly. Convection powered. The Smart Oven Pro's convection setting reduces cooking time by up to 30%. An inbuilt fan circulates the hot air within the oven, which speeds the cooking process by stripping away the cold air that surrounds your food. 10 cooking functions. Versatile countertop oven with 10 cooking functions to guide you to perfection. Toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm and slow cook. Smart oven with slow cook function. Take your time to tenderize and develop complex flavors using the slow cook function. Designed for long cook times at low temperatures. Slow cook for up to 10 hours before the setting automatically turns to keep warm. Our second best smart oven is new Wavic 360 Smart Oven. Todd English is a world-renowned chef and philanthropist. It is a 4-time winner of the prestigious James Beard Awards and Bon Appetit's Restaurateur of the Year with over 23 restaurants worldwide. Simply adjust on the fly anytime. Control time and temperature anytime in the cooking process. EC 360's intuitive digital controls are easy to operate. Set cook temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments and up to 99 hours. Unlike the primitive methods that regulate temperature by turning the heater on and off, our heater never turns off while cooking. Once the desired doneness temperature is set, EC 360 constantly monitors the internal temperature of your food and automatically ends the cooking process when the desired internal temperature is reached. Linear T executes the set temperature accurately throughout the entire cooking process by continuously monitoring temperature fluctuations and making constant power adjustments every second to maintain the set temperature to ensure perfect results. EC 360 is programmed with 20 preset cooking functions for air frying, grilling, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, toasting and more. It also has additional 100 pre-programmed recipe presets. EC 360 is Wi-Fi capable. You can connect to monitor and control EC 360's cooking process anytime, anywhere from an app on your phone. The app is compatible with both Android and iPhones. Third in our list is new Wave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. With a temperature range between 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the new Wave Bravo XL can prepare virtually any dish with ease. Featuring 12 pre-programmed menu options, everything from pizza to waffles and even baked goods can be prepared with the simple press of a button. Simply adjust on the fly anytime. Starting the cooking process over is not necessary. Bravo's intuitive digital controls are easy to operate. Control not only the time and temperature but also customize the top and bottom heaters. To bake a perfect pizza, set bottom heaters at full power and top heaters at 30% for crispy crunch crust and perfectly melted cheesy toppings. Once the desired doneness temperature is set, Bravo constantly monitors the internal temperature of your food and automatically ends the cooking process when the desired internal temperature is reached. You will never undercook or overcook your food again. Bravo has 4 different rack positions and is programmed with includes 12 preset cooking functions for grilling, air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, toasting and more. It also has additional 100 pre-programmed recipe presets in addition to 50 slots where you can save and recall your own favorite recipes. Set cooking temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 500 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. Patented linear T technology executes the set temperature accurately throughout the entire cooking process by continuously monitoring temperature fluctuations and making constant power adjustments every second to maintain the set temperature to ensure perfect results. Number 4 in our best smart oven list is Breville Mini Smart Toaster Oven. With little counter space, the Breville Mini Smart Oven with Element IQ can toast 4 slices of bread and cook an 11-inch pizza. The Breville Mini Smart Oven, Breville's smallest smart oven, may be a better fit for cooks with small kitchens. It can handle larger cooking jobs and can hold 4 slices of toast or an 11-inch pizza, but it takes up very little counter space. Its 8 cooking presets make broiling, baking, roasting, and reheating quick and easy. The 4 Element IQ heating elements, which heat a specific portion of the oven for a precise, even cook in any style, are its defining features. However, it is not without small conveniences, such as a non-stick interior and an LCD screen for easy configuration. It hits the sweet spot, balancing all of the features required for safe and convenient operation with an affordable price, making the oven a practical choice for dipping your toe into the smart oven pool while saving countertop space. Using 4 independent quartz elements, smart algorithms steer power to where and when it's needed to create the ideal cooking environment for perfect results every time. Fast 1800-watt preheat gets your meals on the table more quickly. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is June Convection Smart Oven. The June oven will replace your convection oven, toaster, air fryer, dehydrator, grill, slow cooker, broiler, proofer, pizza oven, roaster, and warming drawer. This June oven will replace convection oven, toaster, air fryer, dehydrator, slow cooker, broiler and warming drawer. Use your device or Alexa to cook with your oven, watch live video of your food, check ETA and be notified when your meal is ready. Cook with June's 500 plus easy to follow, step-by-step video recipes. It's like having a chef cook with you. Cook anything using our chef-developed, multi-step cook programs. Put your food in and let June cook it perfectly for you. June cooks 35% faster using our carbon fiber heating elements. Make a 9-minute salmon and a 12-minute steak, no preheat required. Use June's precision food thermometer to control your food's doneness. Accurate to 1 degree Celsius control from anywhere and be notified when your food is ready with the June app. June also works with Alexa. Perfect results with June's precision food thermometer. Cooks 35% faster with carbon fiber heating elements.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!